I welcome you all. The topic discussed is projection of lines when the line is parallel to both the planes. The question given is a straight line PQ 50 mm long is parallel to both HP and VP. The end P is 15 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. So, it is clear that the line is parallel to both HP and VP. Therefore, the position of a straight line given is line is parallel to both the planes. Also, we know that the straight line PQ is 50 mm long. The true length of the line PQ is 50 mm long. The end point P is 15 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. So, here the line PQ is given. The true length of the straight line PQ is 50 mm. There are two end points P and Q. The end P is 15 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Also, the position of straight line is such that the straight line PQ is parallel to both HP and VP. The front view P dash Q dash of this line is seen on VP. The line P dash Q dash is parallel to XY and is of length equal to true length of the line PQ. Also, the top view of the line PQ is parallel to XY and the length is equal to true length of the line PQ. So, let us now start to draw the projection of the straight line parallel to both HP and VP. Take a A3 sheet, draw margins on all four sides. Write the question number. In the right bottom corner, write all dimensions are in millimeter. So, the question given is a straight line PQ 50 mm long is parallel to both HP and VP. The end P is 15 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. First, draw a reference line XY. It is given point P is 15 mm above HP. So, the front view of the point P, that is P dash, is 15 mm above XY. So, from reference line, draw a vertical line of height 15 mm, mark the point P dash. This point P dash is 15 mm above XY. It is given point P is 25 mm in front of VP. So, the top view of the point P is 25 mm below XY. Again, from the reference line, measure 25 mm, mark the point as P. This point P is 25 mm below XY. So, here we have located the projection of the point P, one end of the line PQ. Our aim is to now draw the projection of the point Q. So, from the point P dash, draw a horizontal line, and also from the point P, draw a horizontal line. It is given line PQ is parallel to HP. Therefore, if P dash is 15 mm above XY, even Q dash will be 15 mm above XY. It is given the true length of line PQ is equal to 50 mm. Therefore, measure 50 mm on this line from P dash, mark the point as Q dash. Here, the distance between P dash and Q dash is equal to 50 mm, the true length of line PQ, which is equal to 50 mm. Now, it is also given the line is parallel to VP. So, if the point P is 25 mm below XY, even the top view of the point Q will be 25 mm below XY. So, from the point Q dash, draw a projector. It cuts the locus of P at a point, mark that point as Q. Now, here PQ is a top view. This length is equal to the true length of the line PQ, which is equal to 50 mm. Now, darken the answer. The line P dash Q dash is the front view of the line PQ. Also, PQ is the top view of the line PQ. So, this is the projection of a line which is parallel to both HP and VP. Thank you, wish you all the best.